greet you all with a proudly South African flair.
There were so many amazing lectures. People that inspired me.
The right of business to maximize profits is perfectly legitimate, and responsible South African business leaders should support the achievement of South Africa's ultimate end, which is transforming this deeply wounded, deeply unfair, and mostly poor country into a prosperous, fair, and unified African social democracy.
A mountain is a place of revelation and truth. So I think we're on the right path. Let's give ourselves a hand.
We engage in and commit to transform the state and the economy. And in the process, we think we are not being transformed and changed. Thank you very much.